Long ago, in a quaint village, lived a hard-working but impoverished farmer and his remarkably beautiful wife. Their home was modest, and their days were spent toiling in the fields to cultivate their sustenance. While the farmer labored tirelessly under the sun, his wife was solely preoccupied with her appearance, neglecting both household chores and farm work. Despite their simple life, the wife was discontent. She yearned for her husband to earn more, dreaming of expensive beauty products and lavish clothes. Deeply in love, the farmer pushed himself relentlessly, striving to fulfill her desires. Yet his efforts were never enough. Her demands for material possessions were ceaseless, and she remained oblivious to his growing exhaustion. One day, the wife fell gravely ill, a consequence of prioritizing her vanity over her well-being. Her condition deteriorated rapidly, and she eventually succumbed to her illness. The farmer was devastated, his heart shattered. He wept day and night, unable to bear the thought of burying her. Then a desperate idea sparked within him. The following day, the farmer sold every last possession he owned and acquired a small boat. His goal was to journey along the river to the mythical land of the gods, convinced they held the power to resurrect his beloved wife. For many days he navigated the waters. One morning, a dense fog enveloped the river, blinding him. When it finally lifted, a towering mountain, its peak lost in the clouds, emerged before him. "This must be where the gods reside," he whispered, his voice filled with a desperate hope. He began the arduous ascent, carrying his wife's lifeless body. Along the path, he encountered an ancient man. "You must be a god," the farmer declared, and then poured out his heartbreaking story. The old man smiled kindly. "You are a devoted husband," he observed. "But why do you wish for her return?" "She is everything to me," the farmer pleaded, tears streaming down his face. "Please bring her back." The old man nodded. "Very well. Your love and perseverance are admirable. I will reveal a secret to you. If you place 3 drops of your blood into her mouth, she will awaken. But remember," he cautioned, "should she ever err again, remind her that her life is owed to those 3 drops of your blood." The farmer immediately followed the instructions, and as if by magic, his wife's eyes fluttered open. She was alive again. Overjoyed, the farmer brought her home. However, they now had nothing. The farmer had sold everything. His wife, observing their destitution, grew anxious. "How will he buy me clothes or beauty creams now?" she fretted to herself. Later, as they navigated their boat, they docked at a bustling port. While the farmer went to the market for food, a magnificent ship owned by a wealthy man moored nearby. The rich man, captivated by the farmer's wife's beauty, approached her. "Come with me," he enticed, "and I will give you anything your heart desires." Tempted and forgetting everything, The wife abandoned her husband and departed with the rich man. Upon his return, the farmer found his wife gone. He searched frantically, but she was nowhere to be found. A year passed. Then one day the farmer saw her again. He implored her to return, but she refused. "You are ungrateful," he sorrowfully stated. "Remember, you are alive because of 3 drops of my blood." The wife scoffed. "So what? Do you want them back?" "Fine," he replied. With a defiant poke of her finger, she drew 3 drops of her blood and let them fall. Suddenly, her face drained of color. She grew weak, collapsed to the ground, and died once more. But this time, a peculiar transformation occurred. She turned into a mosquito. From that day forward, the mosquito flits through the night, perpetually seeking to drink human blood, forever hoping that one day she might regain her former beautiful form. For more stories, subscribe to Stories Desk YouTube channel.